notifications out. Let everybody start joining the live section. I'll send a reminder also on the group that we are live and we're about to start. Oh, welcome everyone to tonight's section. Let's please help drop the notification on the group for everyone to start joining. Help notify them that we are about to start now. We are live. We are live, guys. Please, if you can see my screen, kindly let me know you can see my screen. I just shared my screen right now. Please, if you can see my screen, let me know you can see my screen. If you can see my screen, please notify that you can see my screen. Oh, I just need someone to let me know that you can see my screen. Please unmute and tell me you can see my screen. Can you guys see my screen?
It is clear. It is clear.
Hello, guys. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Hello. Kindly
Yes.
let me know you can. All right. Thank you. You so much. Let's just wait for like about 5 minutes for others to join before we kick start for tonight. I want to welcome everybody that has joined the live section tonight. There's a lot of opportunities in the market. I'm about to show us a lot of juicy opportunities in the market. The projections for the year ahead, both synthetic currency pair, the cryptocurrency, and the stock market. Please let's send a reminder to everyone to start joining. Ooh. Thank you, Jesus. In 4 minutes time, we're going to start. Just 4 minutes. Let's give them a chance. Just 4 minutes. We'll start. I'm not going to take our time tonight at all. Just let's wait for them to come in. Oh my God. Just 3 minutes more. In 3 minutes time we'll start. Please guys be patient. Oh, okay. All right. Great. All right, just 2 minutes more. We're going to start. In 2 minutes time, we're going to start. Let's just give them a chance to come in. Let's wait for them. I want everybody to be on the same page. I guess my screen is paused now. Is my screen still displayed? Guys, can you guys still see my screen?
Yes.
I'm seeing a video post here. Okay, you can see it. All right, thank you, sir. All right, I think let's just start. They will join us. All right, I want to welcome everybody that is on tonight. Welcome to Abovefx live section. So basically, I'm not going to waste our time tonight. I'm just going to go straight into the chat and see what we have. And if you have any question, you can go ahead to ask. Just before we start, I just want to say something about one of the challenges traders have. I tell people the first challenge traders encounter is ability to know what to do to be consistently profitable. And the second greatest challenge is the capital wise. A lot of people, even when they know what to do and how to trade perfectly well, they don't have a good capital to trade with to make a lot of money. This game is a game of capital. The higher the capital that you have, the higher the money you can make. The greatest challenge or the greatest problem of a lot of traders is they want to fund the $10, $50 to make $10,000 and $20,000, and it doesn't work like that in the industry. And that's why a lot of people are not even profitable. So if you have the opportunity to have a large account, say you have a 50K account, a 40K account, a 30K account, it's easy for you to make 10% of that account and you are okay for the year. And if you want to scale up your goals or your dreams, your aspiration, you get more accounts, like a 100K account, 500K account, $1 million account, then you make more money. Say you're making a 10% of 500K. Do you know what that means? You're making a lot of money. But the issue is people do not want to get the capital, maybe because of limitations or whatsoever. And that's why I'm so grateful for. I'm so happy and grateful because there's platforms like the Pro Firms that give people the ability to, they give them their money to trade with, and you guys have a profit split. Platforms to scale up your capital, to trade conveniently without pressure, at your own convenience, and you make money. And I tell people that one of the thing that the advantage I see in Pro Firm is that they brings the ideology of how trading should be traded properly. A lot of people does not even understand risk management. How many percent should I risk on a trade? How many percent am I making on a trade? What's my drawdown? People don't have the knowledge before. And Pro Firm give you a typical platform or template of how even your own personal account should be handled. But then people even don't see the light. They just want to still make money because of the greed. They want to make excessive money, unrealistic expectations on their accounts because of their greed. One of the things we should trust God for is to kill greed. If not, you would never make money in this industry. So Pro Firm is a good platform for you to start with if you've gotten your skill right. And that's why I tell you, please be sure 2024 is a new year. Get your skill right. Get a Pro Firm account. Then you begin to trade and make more money. So for Deriv traders, because of course we know largely of our traders are Deriv traders, and one of the problem we have is there is no platforms or Pro Firms giving Deriv Pro Firm. So we recommended, if you've been following us for a while now, we recommended a Deriv Pro Firm account for you, Pro Firm platform for you, which is TSF. I don't know if you can display the flyer. If you can help us drop the flyer on the live group so they can see it. They traded. Let me try and display it from my. Just give me some minutes, guys. They are quite good. We've spoken with them, the owner of the Pro Firm, and we saw their credibility. They're not going to run away with your money. So if you're interested, they're just suggesting that for you. Once you get your skill right and get them, Trader Support Fund. I'm opening the account now. I'm going to be sharing my screen. Please kindly be patient. Please, I hope you guys are following me.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
I just want to show us this before we move on into the chat. All right, sir. Let me share my screen so I can show you all they have to offer. All they have to offer. All right. Let me share my screen. Oh. All right. I think. Can you guys see it now? Is it displaying?
No, it's not displaying. Okay, yes,
Okay.
it's displaying now. It's displaying now.
Is displaying right? Okay. Can you see it now? Okay. This is Trader Support Fund. So they have TSF. They have for forex and they have for synthetic also. Whichever one you want to go for is good. You just go to home so you can see all the this thing they have to offer. Just give me some minutes. Let this thing roll. Okay. Traders Support Fund. All right.
The screen is not showing.
The screen is not showing. My screen is not showing.
Yes.
Oh, sorry about that.
Yes.
Coming, sir.
It's not showing.
Okay. I'm coming, sir. Is it showing now? Is it showing now?
It's not showing from here.
But I'm
It's not
seeing
showing
it.
from your hand.
I'm seeing. Maybe tell
You
him
are
to
seeing the
click
screen?
the second. Yes, tell him to click the second chat, not the first one. The first one is locked. The second one, if you click, you see the video. It's clear.
Okay, I can see it now. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Can you guys still see it now? Before we move on. Hello, guys. Can you see it now? Hello. Are you guys still with me?
Yes, we are seeing. Go ahead.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. So they have for FX, which is the currency pair. They have TSF synthetic. They have TSF FX step 1, step 2, also for synthetic step 1 and step 2. So you can just go ahead and check it out yourself. Trader Support Fund for step 1. Let me try. Okay, this is TSF phase 1, phase 2. This is FX phase 2, 10K account, 5K account, 3K account, 10K account. So I think you guys can just go ahead and check it out. Trader Support Fund. Let me go to synthetic, which is more. I think this is the major thing for us, for people trading Deriv. Synthetic. Okay, this is synthetic. For I think it ranges from 3K account also. This is 5K account. Minimum trading days is 7 days. Maximum trading days is 60 days. The daily drawdown is 6 days. Maximum drawdown is 12 days. Profit target is 10%. And average leverage is 1:33. Profit split 70-30. Refundable. They will refund whatever amount you use to get the prop firm account. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you are interested, just go ahead on Trader Support Fund to get the account. Please, it's a recommendation. Please do your due diligence. If you like it, please go ahead. For we are so sure that they are legit and they are not going to run away with your money. And withdrawal also is possible. We made a video on how to get your what's it called? Challenge account. You can check it out on the group. It will be dropped because it's quite different from the regular, normal other prop firms. So just to make it more easier for us, we've done a video for you guys if you want to get the account. So let's get back to what we have for tonight so we can just close. Let me share my chart. I just want to bring it out to our notice so as to help us as traders to scale up our accounts. Enough of $100, $10, $50 that we're funding. If you want to make more money, fund more capital, have more capital. That's how it works. So I'm going through. Let's start from synthetic accounts. I have some. I'm so sorry. I don't know if the network is all right. Please, guys, can you see my screen now?
No. Your
Can you
screen.
guys see my screen?
Yes.
How about now? Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. So let's move straight to the chart. So what I have in front of me now is I have a couple of pair that is actually brooding. One thing I tell people is please always be patient. Let the market come to you before you take any step or before you execute your trade. Understand there is market analysis, there is market execution. So if you're able to get your analysis right, then execution is quite simple. This is V10 and this is on a monthly time frame. You guys understand how we trade.
Okay.
Starting from the higher time frame perspective, what is the market doing from the higher time frame perspective? And it's important for you to understand what is the direction of the market. As you can see clearly, the direction of this market is flowing to the downside. Nevertheless, I think I'm seeing a pattern. And when you see a pattern on a higher time frame, is an indication for a reversal in the market. Chart patterns on higher time frame or lower time frame indicate a reversal. Please kindly unmute so we can avoid background voices. Please help me unmute so we can avoid background voices. So I'm seeing a chart pattern on V10. I can see a head, a left shoulder, and a right shoulder. And I can see clearly that this neckline was broken to the upside. And I'm seeing something like a consolidation back into the neckline. So I'm just waiting for the counter trend line to break before I enter. So from here, we are heading down to the neck, to this region. Don't forget, we trade from one zone into another zone. That's how it works. So this is V10. I think that is so simple. This V10 is so simple. It's one of my favorite pair because even right from the higher time frame, you can execute your trade because of the spread is quite small. Please kindly unmute if you understand this before I move on to another pair. V10, is it clear? Is V10 clear? Guys, are you guys still with me? Hello? Please kindly unmute so I can.
It's clear.
Is V10 clear? It's clear, right?
Yes.
All right. So another pair that I'm looking forward to is V25. So V25 basically is in an uptrend, and I've been monitoring it. As we can see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So I was expecting, higher low inside this trend line This is a very strong confluence where you see a trend line, support and resistance, and it's also a Fibonacci play at this region. So I was strongly bullish on this market until I saw a change. Okay, this Fibonacci play. So this is like a 3 confluence at just a zone. I was so strongly bullish. I was expecting the market to come inside there, then we begin to head up. But nevertheless, the market didn't do that. The market broke the confluence to the downside. That's why I tell people, please be flexible enough to accept what the market is doing. You are not the market maker. You are not the one to tell the market what direction to go and when to go to that direction. You just need to understand what the market is displaying or is giving to you, then you follow suit. So the market didn't play out as I expected. I even dropped the signal just on the signal group. If you are not on the signal group yet, please kindly subscribe to the signal group. Is free. You are not paying for the signal group, just for you to get an update from us when we see an entry, when we spot an entry ahead, so as to notify you and to take advantage of it. So I posted this thing on the signal group for everyone that was on the signal group that, okay, I'm expecting this market to come into this region, then we take the trade and ride it to the next zone. Nevertheless, that didn't happen. We saw a very strong bearish candlestick, broke this line. So immediately we broke this line, my bias changed immediately. So what I'm expecting on V25 right now is a sell. So I was expecting it to actually come into this zone to continue its sell. I think the bearish move was so strong. So what I'll be doing right now is I'm still expecting it to come trace into this region. And if it doesn't do that, we can see a break. Let me just draw it so you can see clearly. The market can actually do 2 things. Retest into this place and continue the sell. And continue the sell to the downside. Or we see something like this. This is quite small actually, nevertheless. Let me use this again. It's quite small. So I'm expecting something like this. If we don't see a retracement and continuation, we'll see a small sell, a retracement into this zone, then we see a continuation. So either ways, I'm bearish on V25. I think that's clear enough. Guys, is that clear? Hello guys, is that clear? Okay.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
So first thing is clear. All right. So the next pair that I'm looking at is step index. Step index is also bearish. Very strongly bearish. Strongly bearish. Don't forget, the first thing you need to look out for is the direction of the market. Where is the flow of the market going? So I can see a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Market is forming a structure to the downside. And if we see those plays, market stalled around this region, forming like a sort of range. So I wasn't trading at all for quite a long time. Okay, I think I traded this market when it retraced and we shot the market down at a point. So what I was expecting is for the market to come break this particular strong support, and it did quite what we predicted, and this was a quite smooth break. So what I'm expecting now is the market to come into this zone, then we begin to sell step index. So this place is actually a very strong confluence. What do I mean? This is a support turn resistance, the first indication. If you scroll down to your lower time frame, on the daily time frame, there is a trend line also lining up around that region. Imagine the market coming into this space. This is support turn resistance trend line, and if I draw my Fibonacci quite well, is also a Fibonacci play at that same level. So that place is a very strong confluence. You don't want to joke with it. So I would advise you to allow step index to come into this region before you trade at all. Very strong confluence to make a lot of money. What I say to myself when I see confluences like this is the market is 90 to 100% sure. So I'm not even scared. And I see market like this, I just allow it to run, close my laptop. I'm happy because I know I'm going to make money. So that's that on step index. Should I move on to the next one, guys? Is it clear? Hope I'm not talking to myself. Hello, guys.
Yes, sir. It's clear. It's very clear, sir.
Very clear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So the next pair that I'm looking at is, so if you want to trade step index, just allow it to retrace. Don't be in a hurry. You don't need, see, there's a secret. Market would trend at just 10% and ranges 70% of the times. So this market will take quite a lot of time to build up. It will take a lot of time. It will test your patience. And the Bible will say patience is a virtue. So a lot of people does not have patience to wait for this market to come retrace. When market trend, you can see a very nice trend. The market has given a nice trend. The market will not just jump into this zone back. No, it will take a very longer time for the market to consolidate into this region. So we need to be extremely patient for the market to come into that region. You don't want to, because the market can be very funny. The market can come to this region and might not get into this area. You feel like the market is ready to sell and begins to sell, come a little here, and you enter, the market will continue to buy again because it does not. So you need to take your time. That's what I mean. Just be careful. Take your time. Allow the market to do its thing. So if eventually you just want to know the accurate time that the market will start selling, you can subscribe for the Signal channel. I will tell you when the market is about to start selling. So please help us drop I'll tell my team to help us drop the link for the Signal channel if you've not subscribed. I'm going to give you the accurate time when the market will start selling if you are not sure how to enter the trade. And also, if you are interested, you don't have to wait for me, because all the time I will not be available to post on the Signal group when it is ready. So if you want to know how to do this yourself, how to analyze the market correctly and know precisely when to enter and not to be stopped out prematurely, you can also get the course, the above course. It's quite cheaper now, $50. You can know when to enter accurately. I'm going to be showing you our entry strategy, the precise entry strategy. So all this I'm doing is just an analysis. Yes, it's legit. Somebody's asking, is TSF legit? It's very legit. All right, so let me go to V75. What am I seeing on V75? Please, people that are online, do you trade synthetic? Let me know if you trade synthetic. Do you guys trade synthetic?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We trade synthetic.
Hello, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We trade synthetic.
Okay, fine. Okay, so I'm not wasting my time. All right. So the next pair I want to go to is V75 before we move on to what I'm looking at on currency pair. Please, is the chart still showing?
Yes, sir.
Is it still showing?
Clearly. Clearly.
Okay, so V75, I'm strongly bearish on V75 also. It's as though all these pair are bearish. V25 is bearish, step index is very bearish, only V10 is bullish, V75 also is bearish. V75 was making a higher high, higher low, higher high, but we couldn't make another higher low, so we broke this last high to the downside. So I'm expecting the market to come into this lower high before we head lower low. So what am I saying? So what's actually making the market to stall around that region is that major yellow zone, major support that you are seeing. So if we can clear that, we are coming into that support before we begin to head lower on V75. So this is actually the region that is holding V75 right now, not to go higher. But if we can break this level higher, we are coming into this region. Nevertheless, I'm not interested even if it breaks this place, because it's just a retracement move. I only follow the trend. I don't trade retracement. So I allow the market to come into this region. This is also a very strong region. If I draw my Fibonacci from swing low to swing high to swing low, it falls also in this region, and the trend line also is lining up perfectly well at the same region. So allow the market, V75, to come into this region before you take advantage of the market. I tell people the problem is you just want to make money on time, and it's because you are trading a very small capital. It's because you are trading a very small capital. If you are trading a very large sum of money, you are patient because imagine me risking a 3% on this account, this short trade, and I'm looking at a 500 pips, 1000 pips. All I'm making, maybe probably on a trade, I'll be having a 20% of my profit. So if I'm trading a very huge amount of money, 20% is awesome, is large. So you just need to be patient. The problem is when you begin to enter the trade up and down like you are playing game, you begin to lose money. And we are happy as an exchanger because, of course, we make money also if you come and deposit and you withdraw. Or you deposit, of course, you might not come back to withdraw. I'm not saying you don't withdraw. If you don't know what to do, you won't withdraw, of course. So please, let's do it the right way. Be patient. This market pays people that are patient. Market is taken from the people that are impatient and given to the people that are patient. So that's what I'm looking at on V75. Allow V75 to come nicely. I told you consolidation takes time. So it might take a while for the market to come into this region. Nevertheless, please be patient. Allow it to come here, then you take advantage, then you begin to short the market to the downside. So that's that on V75. Go straight to the currency pair. Currency pair, I'm looking at Euro USD, JP USD, SPS, what else? Gold is irrational right now, crazy. Don't even go there. BTC consolidating. Can you guys see my screen? Hello, guys.
Yes, sir. Clearly, very clearly.
It's like, am I too fast?
No, sir, you are okay. You are perfect.
Okay, great. Let me share my
We
screen.
only see the synthetic indices screen. We can't see
Oh, you can't see the currency. Let me change it to currency
your
pair,
currency
please.
pair screen.
I'm changing it to currency pair now so you can see it, please. Sorry about that. So currency pair, I'm looking at Euro USD. I'm looking at GBP USD. I'm also looking at XPS. I don't know if you guys are subscribed to the Signal channel where we drop Adobe. We've made money on Adobe this year, and the second position is still running. We've taken partial already. Can you guys see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir, it is. You can see it.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So let's analyze Euro USD. All right, let's start from Euro USD. Euro USD is bearish. Euro USD is bearish, as you can see, very clear, simple. How do I know it's bearish? You can see the flow of the market to the downside if you draw your trend line clearly, and you can see the market forming a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, equal low, equal high, then lower low, then the market is retracing back to lower high. Let me zoom out so you can see what I'm saying. Why is mouse just running up and down? So this is a retracement now. So I'm expecting the market to continue the sell. I actually drop a signal on Euro USD and GBP USD for a sell. The reason why I don't take it personally for myself is because it's quite small. I'm going to show you how the sell played out, but I didn't take it personally because the risk to reward is not good enough. It's just 1-to-1, and I don't like taking trades like that. I prefer minimum of 1 to 3 on my trade. That's why I'm always patient. I'm a conservative trader. So this place is a very crucial place for me because the market trended. Of course, I know the market is selling. This is a retracement. If I draw my Fibonacci play is giving me, as you can see, Fibonacci from a swing high to swing low Market is to the 50 fib retracement. Sorry about that. So the market is coming into the 50% retracement. Can we see that Fibonacci? Guys, can we see the Fibonacci? Hello,
Yes, sir.
guys.
Yes, sir, I can.
Guys, I need your response, please. All right. So the market came
Yes, sir.
into
You can see it.
50% retracement. You can see. I'm expecting the market to come to this zone. If we break here, we are coming into this last leg. So the market is strongly bearish on Euro USD. So when am I going to enter the trade? That's the next question. I already know the market is selling. Guys, let me show you another secret. You don't want to joke with monthly candlestick. When you see a very strong monthly candlestick, you don't want to joke with it. See a very strong engulfing. And don't forget, this month is about to end. What is today's date? Today's date is it 29? Is today 29? Okay, today is 29.
Yes, sir. Today,
And we only have
29.
we only have 2 days. We only have 2 days to go. And this is a monthly candlestick. Don't forget. If this market successfully close as strong as this candlestick is, there is nothing stopping this market from coming down. I'm telling you for the fact. See, the market came into this region, tested it, came back, entered into that region again, tested it, came back, entered into that region again. The market is coming down. There's nothing stopping it. So let me show you where I should have entered or secure my seat. But because of risk to reward, I didn't just enter. And I was seeing something like, because I always tell traders, market will always test every technical level. You don't want to joke with any technical level. Areas of concern, you don't want to joke with it. So I saw this area of concern, so I just left the sell. I said, let me allow it to come break the neckline. So I saw something like this. I don't know why my mouse is just jumping up and down. So I saw something like this. So I knew the market will, if there's a very strong tendency, the market will enter into this region and might want to react. So I would allow the market to come break this neckline to be 100% sure that we are now bearish, because there's still tendency the market contests this technical level and begins to rally up. So I don't want to take chances and I don't want to take crumbs. I want a market that can give me something like 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. So I would rather get that when the market breaks this place and I'm very sure that the market is a sell. So this place, I'm 70% bearish and 30% bullish. But nevertheless, if we break this neckline, this strong neckline, I'm 100% bearish, because this is a trend line broken and this is a support broken. So every hindrances have been broken. So I'm 100% bearish when we are below this region. So I'd rather wait for it to come into this region. I don't know if you understand. Guys, do you understand? Hello? Is it clear?
Yes. It's very clear.
So basically, you can actually apply this principle on the lower time frame. I know a lot of you might not have this patience. You can actually use this strategy on the lower time frame, but please don't go below your daily time frame. If you are doing your analysis, don't go below your daily time frame. Make sure you understand the direction of the market, draw your areas of concern, areas of value, then trade in the direction of the market. So what am I seeing on XPS? Let me show you guys XPS. So I'm strongly bullish on the XPS. As you can see, I think I'm going to stop here and allow you guys to ask questions. So the market is quite bullish on the XPS. This is a head, left shoulder, right shoulder. We broke this neckline. Let me delete this so you can see what I mean. It might be confusing like this. All right, so we broke this neckline The market came, broke the neckline, and we had a retest into this neckline. We had a retest in this neckline, and of course, I'm not going to be showing you my entry strategy. So we took advantage of this market and rode this market into this region. So what are we looking for right now? The market has broken another major zone. So allow the market to, as I've said, market will trend and always consolidate. So allow this market to just do its thing, something like this. Let it do its thing. Then let the market consolidate back. Let it consolidate. Then you can ride the market to the next region. Next zone. So it's as simple as that. As simple as that. That's that on XPS. This is S&P 500. Allow you to break this major zone and consolidate back. I'm bullish on XPS. I think that's that for tonight. Do you guys have any question? Please don't forget TSF. If you want to buy a Deriv Profem account, TSF is available. Please do your due diligence to go through it. The terms and conditions, we can assure you they are legit and not a scam. So if you're interested, just go. And also, please kindly subscribe to our Signal channel. It's free, completely free. And if you want to get Above course, just go to www.myabove.ng. Under Academy, you will get the course there. Do you guys have any question? Any question? Or do you have any PAs to analyze together? Any question?
No question, sir.
No question.
No question.
You don't. No question. Hello guys, do you have any question?
No question. No question. No question.
No question. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Thank you guys for joining for tonight. Really appreciate it.
Question, please. I have a question.
Next time on the live section. I have a question.
Yes, please.
I was shouting. Is there a question? You guys didn't.
Sorry. Yeah, it's about the TSF. Sorry. So I was seeing, because I went through the site after joining the stuff. Now just
TSF.
like quickly. Yes, please. TSF. Yes.
Okay, you said.
Yeah, so I was on the site a few minutes ago trying to like read the whole breakdown and all. Then I was seeing
I can hear
leverage.
you, sir. I can hear you.
I was seeing leverage 1:33 or something.
You said what?
Yes. The trading, the leverage, the allowed leverage. I was saying 1:33. I don't seem to understand that.
Yes, 1:33. Okay. You said you were saying 1:33.
Yes. Can you like explain?
Hello.
Yes, can you explain that to us, please? Hello?
This network is quite bad, though. I can't hear what you're saying.
Can you hear me now? Hello?
Hi.
I was asking
you know what
about
you do? The
1:33,
network is quite bad. I can't even.
What's the
my screen
significant difference to the normal 1:1000 that we use?
Hello.
Network.
Hi.
Hello, can you
Can you guys hear me?